Welcome back to another episode of Subway Memes. Like and subscribe for more meme and cool transport content. If you don't subscribe, this video will lag. Thanks again to our great top memers. Leon Maxton, Aiden the MTA Memer, MTA Train, Train Lord the God, Growling Motors, DiltonHT
R179A Productions 42nd Street Shuttle,
Septa and many more.
We might be missing a few of you because of major server changes.
Also guys, remember to submit your own fresh meme in our Discord server. The link is in the description. Alright cool transport fans, it's meme time.
Corporate needs you to find the differences between this picture and this picture. Every rail fan, they're the same picture. Dream house. Wooden train layout. TfL, Elizabeth Line, a new core railway. Train companies after inventing India, passengers at 400% capacity. MTA, might take a while. That's a lot of foam. Take off the couples to make them divorced. Everyone at the subway train. The current bus stands are smaller and uses more glass. MTA R179 MTA rocket. The R32 is retired. It will be back when the lemon detaces. R32 is retired. Panic. It will come back calm. But lemon will retire. Panic. It's alive. Speak my child. I can see a R179. Oh, I forgot to give it a brain. Complaining about the delays MTA. Me going to a J station and see some R32s. R179s come. R46. H4. Fried. Trains can't have baths. Me. Lemon vs R32. R179. Wow, is this garbage? You actually like this?
Alright peeps, that's all the memes we have today. Remember to submit your memes to our Discord so you can be mentioned in the next episode. Thanks for watching this episode of Subway Memes.